Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 228. If we start with this box here, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 there, so 1, 2. For this box, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 7. 7 here, so 1, 9. And no help here, so 1, 7, 9. If we finish off this column, we're just missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 8. Got an 8 and 9 here. So this is our 6. That 8 means this is our 9, and this is our 8. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here. So 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. Got a 6 here, so 3, 7. 7 here, so 3, 6. And that's 7 here as well, so 3, 6. That means our 7 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so this is our 8. But no other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so 1, 3. 3 and 5 here, so 1, 2. The 1 here. So 2, 3, 5. We've got 1, 5 here. So 2, 3. So if we look, the only place the 5 can be is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 9. We've got the 9 here. So 1, 2, 6. Same thing here. 1, 2, 6. For this row, oh, we've got that 7 now. So that makes this our 1. So this is our 9 and our 7. That 9 makes this our 2, which makes this our 9. 1, 3, 2. And this 5 makes us our 7, 5. All right, so we can get rid of these 2's here. For this row now, we're just missing a 2. And for this row, we're missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. Got a 4 here, so 3, 8, and 8 here, so 3, 4, 8, and no help here, 3, 4, 8. Sorry. We get rid of that 8 there. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 6. No help here, 2, 3, 6. 3 here, so 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 1, 5 here, so 9, 5. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. That 6 means this is our 3. So we can get rid of this 3. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. So we can get rid of this 8, which means that our 8 for this box now has to be here. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. That 2 makes this our 6, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6, which makes this our 3, 6. And this 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.